another house. It's a little bit small. I mean, small compared to what we are used to seeing. But it doesn't change my fascination level. The door's open. Which always surprises me when something does not run out of there when that happens. A couple months ago we were driving by this place. Boy, it's windy today. Not the best day for doing this kind of thing, but we found this house and we're going to go inside and investigate and see what might be in there. Well, it's full of stuff. Oh, yeah.
No one lives here, right?
What's that?
No one lives here, right?
What? Are you kidding me? You're funny.
The bedroom window's open, has no, there could be critters in there for sure.
There is critters in here. I can hear them.
Oh shit, I'm not going in there. No way.
There's something walking around upstairs.
Oh my god. Well, the bedroom window, there's no window upstairs on the bedroom window there where the scaffolding is. Are you going in there?
Well, you can't really get in there, babe. I mean, unless I just started moving stuff.
Really? I gotta come look. Wow. This is just tucked in back here.
You have to get in here and see this.
Oh my god.
Look behind the door here.
It is just full of stuff.
Oh, step, put your foot in and look behind the door.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Are you in there?
Yes.
Oh god.
Boy.
So someone collected Coca-Cola. Didn't they?
Yes, they did.
Some kind of light thing.
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny?
And decorating basics.
Someone collected spoons. Look at all those spoons.
Yeah, I
over
see
there.
that. Well, I hope shit's still hurt wandering around in here.
Oh, tell me that. I already fell outside again. I mean, finally. I've been tripping, but I've caught myself. But man, I just... got some things.
almost it. There it is.
There's glass all over dishes on the floor.
Well, I know that.
I said this is, hi there. I'd say this is a small kitchen.
Yes, a very small kitchen, which is typical.
Yeah.
Of a farmhouse. I don't get it, but
Gosh.
whatever. Over the years, my wife and I have explored probably close to 100 abandoned homes, so consequently we get a feel for how things are. But as we walked around this one, it just began to feel that something odd had happened here. There was something that begged to be uncovered, so we left. When we eventually located the current owner, she told us a deeply emotional and heartbreaking story of what happened and when it happened. That backstory and another more detailed up-close visit is coming up in our next video.